So hello everyone, welcome to new video of TechEd, and today I will be sharing 8 resources and 8 free IT certifications from Kaggle. As you already know, Kaggle is a well-known website for learning machine learning and data science and to do operations on model using the databases available here. So I will be sharing 8 such resources that are free of cost for you, and you will be learning a lot from this. So the first one is Python. As you already know how much important Python is for data science. So to learn the most important language for data science, Python is here. This is the 5-hour course for beginners, and if you are starting, then this can be very beneficial for you. So this is no cost like all Kaggle learning courses, and the instructor is Colin Morris. So you can understand everything written over here in 5 hours. As estimated reading time is also there. Don't worry about hours. You just need to understand each and everything as much time you want, and the lessons are here, the tutorials and exercises are here. For example, if you already know booleans and conditions and even lists and loops, you can start with dictionaries and strings. You can click here, dictionary and strings, and you first need to register and sign in. And I don't think that for reading and understanding this you have to register, but for doing hands-on practice you need to register. And you can see here the syntax and how the tutorial is going, and you can simply read each and everything, and everyone and everything is here written very clearly, so it's easy for you to understand. And you can also do hands-on lab, as the exercises are also provided by them, and even discuss with fellow learners in the discussion section. Talking about the another one, this is the machine learning introduction to machine learning course, to learn the core ideas in machine learning and build your first model. So if you are interested in building your first model and actually get your hands dirty with the machine learning, then this is for you. This is a 3 hour estimated earn certificate, and you can earn certificate for free as no cost, and the instructor is Dan Becker. So you can see there, these are the modules in which the machine learning part is divided, and you can skip each and you can skip anything if you already know. Like if you know underfitting and overfitting, you can jump onto random forest, and you can give a brief overview or review just by reading it quickly, and whatever the thing you like. Then the third one is intermediate machine learning. After the introduction or introduction to machine learning, which I have shown you previously, this is the handle missing values, non-numeric values, data leakage, and more. So this can be the third and a good part to start, and this is of 4 hours, and you can learn from this. This is by Alex Cook and written by Alex Cook. Then you can here there are so many famous terms that even every data scientist should know, and if you are understanding through these courses, then it will definitely help. So missing value, pipeline, cross validation, XGBoost, and data leakage, I am naming them because even if you want to read or understand a particular topic, you can head on to that. Next one is machine learning explainability. This is extract human understandable and insight form of any model. So if you want to understand model as in a layman language, or you can use your previous knowledge in the previous 3 courses, then this certification is of 4 hours estimated, and you no need to sit for exactly 4 hours. I think you understand this. You can take your time, you can even take a week for this, and this is no cost, again by Dan Becker. Then use cases for model insights and partition plots, advanced use of sharp values, these kind of things. And talking about other, this is introduction to SQL. SQL is another big thing for data science after Python. So learning SQL with databases like Google BigQuery and even having an exercises can benefit you a lot, by instructor Rachel Tatman and Alex Cook, again the same instructor, and no course, no cost, and the our estimation is 3 hours to earn this certificate. So if you already know this SQL part, then you can try exercises directly, and anywhere you, if you struck, you can check out a particular topic. So group by, having count, and these are very important thing, from joining data to a small thing like select from and where. Talking about the other, this is the advanced SQL. Take your SQL skills to the next level. Again, a 4 hour course, and by Alex Cook. So joins and unions, analytic function, nested and repeated data, writing efficient queries. These are the 4 parts of this lesson, and you can try the exercises also. Talking about the seventh, data visualization. Visualization is such a powerful thing that every data scientist or those who are going to for data analysts should also know. Make data great visualization, a great way to see the power of coding. So here the Seaborn comes. So Seaborn is again a library, and you can work on Kaggle databases to make these heat maps and bar charts, scatter plots and distributions. And this is a final project after you complete all the above. And this is again a 4 hour course by Alex Cook. Talking about the last one and the eighth one is introduction to deep learning. Introduction to deep learning is another important chapter or a topic to understand the use of Keras and TensorFlow to build neural networks and structured data. So what is single neuron, what is perceptron, neural networks, and all these kind of things, you will get a hand-on experience. This is by Ryan Holbrook, and the cost is again free of cost, and the hours of earning certificate is 4. So you can check this out, and bonus lessons are also there. A lot more courses are also there to check out on Kaggle, but I suggest you to go with these 8 first and then head on to other courses. So you can just go to the learn section of Kaggle and you can check out the more courses. I have just shown you those particular courses in an order that you will understand and apply to understand the concepts of data science and introduction to machine learning, pandas, and most of the topics are so many things are over here and are completely free with lot of good documentation. I will suggest you to check this out at once and try giving your time on this, and you will definitely get benefited. So these are the courses from Python, introduction to machine learning, then this is intermediate machine learning, then this is machine learning explainability, then introduction to SQL, then advanced SQL, then data visualization, then introduction to deep learning. I will share this link on description also so that you can check them out and try it one by one. So you just need to start this and everything will be fine. So don't waste your much of your time in other things, and if you want to explore this, start from here. All the best, and I will see you in another video.